In this video, I'll show you how to use room lock to secure specific rooms without locking your entire home. You don't always need to lock your entire home, sometimes just one room. With room lock, you can monitor specific rooms while the rest of the house works normally. Lock your bedroom or study when you're away and get an instant alert if anyone touches a switch there. It's perfect for situations like house help access or keeping an eye on kids' rooms at night. No cameras, no intrusion, just smart, focused security where you need it. Now, I'll show you how to set up room lock. Open the Home Automation app, go to Devices. Select the room you want to secure. Tap the lock icon. Enable room lock. That's it. Room lock is now active. From now on, if anyone manually uses a switch in that room, you'll get an instant alert on your phone. Lock the room, not the whole home. Smart security. Your way. Thank you.